Wow, it is amazing what just a couple of inches of rain will do. It wasn't that long ago that this was just extra crispy lawn. I haven't mowed in probably 3 weeks just because it's been so dry, but the garden is looking great. The grass is starting to fully recover. It's got a little ways to go yet, still a little bit dry in a few spots. That's mostly the bad grass that I don't like. My Kentucky bluegrass is looking fantastic. I still have to put down my late summer fertilizer application and start spoon feeding for the fall. I'm going to be doing a few things in the lawn, but that's not what I'm here to talk about today. I wanted to give just a quick channel update on where we're at for midsummer. I'm going to go inside the garage here so I'm out of the wind for you guys. If you notice, I did rearrange things in here, so I put in a new shelf and things are a lot cleaner in here. My bench that's been here since a couple of years ago when I started this channel is now moved over to the side of my garage. Don't mind the mess, I still have to clean it up, but I do have some stuff hanging on the wall here. I got this up out of the way, my reel mower's up out of the way. But what I really wanted to talk about was my subscriber count update. I am just approaching 2,000 subscribers. I'm a little bit under, and that's a big milestone for me. I never thought I'd get this far, so I really want to say thank you to all my viewers and all my subscribers. This wouldn't happen without you guys, so thank you very much for all your support and leaving all your comments. So because of that, I am going to be doing a giveaway soon. I'm going to have as much stuff as I can possibly. I'm going to reach out to some vendors and stuff and see if I can get some cool things that we can give away. I've got a few things in mind already, so be sure you hit subscribe. You've got to be a subscriber to win, and you've got to leave a comment below in order to be entered. I might be doing a live giveaway yet. I haven't decided, so we'll have to see. So the rules are a little bit up in the air, but number one rule is you do have to be a subscriber in order to be entered, and leave a comment below in this video. So I'll be picking from the comments that are left below here for the giveaway. The date that I'm going to be giving away is yet to be determined. It might be in a week or two. I've been so busy lately, guys, so I apologize that it's taken me this long just to get this video out in the first place. But just make sure you are a subscriber. Get me over that 2,000 subscriber mark, and even if I keep going up and up from there, all the better, because you guys are the best, and I appreciate each and every one of you that got me this far. So, I don't know what I'm going to be giving away, but I do have quite a lot in store, and hopefully I'll be getting more videos out more frequently here in the next couple of months, since I've been so super busy with work and everything, so it's just kind of been sidetracked a little bit, so I apologize for that. I'll try to be more consistent with my videos in the future. With that said, that's all the announcements I wanted to make for today. Be sure to hit subscribe again, like I said. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching.
Hit subscribe and leave the comment below. And activate the notification bell